I think that what's exciting that's coming is the design summit. And there's, this is something that we've been talking a lot about. How what are you planning to do, and the kind of value you as a design team, as an org, are trying to provide out there. Tell us about that. What's there for the Impulse?
Absolutely. I'm so excited about Impulse. And this year we have rebranded Design Summit as Impulse because we wanted to bring in that vibe, that emotion. It has to be more enthusiastic, it had to be more energizing. And that's what we wanted to bring in. So we are not calling this a design summit anymore. It's more like a design festival. So that's the whole point. And we have a stellar lineup of speakers this year. We have a lot more engaging activities. We have workshops, we have fun games. We are also having exhibits, demonstrations from different designers, experts. And a this is sort of community event where we are bringing people together. That's the whole essence. Okay, it doesn't matter whether they are from SAP, outside SAP, designers, developers, whosoever. So it's very essential for us to uh, celebrate design. So the whole point is celebrate design, and that's why we are doing it. So yeah, that's the plan for Impulse.
What are your objectives, and what, according to you, is we as an industry need more design summits and design festivals like this? And what are you as an org trying to do with Impulse?
Uh, See, what we have realized that when it comes to these kind of community events, the whole purpose is to bring people together, let them network, let them meet others, okay, and stay connected. So bringing people together and staying connected is the whole purpose. That's why these community events happen, and that's the sole purpose of Impulse too. Apart from this, we also wanted to bring in SAP design into the picture because we realized that, I mean, we are doing a lot of effort in terms of uh, maturing our teams, maturing our uh, overall recognition of SAP design, and that's also one of the intent that we have for Impulses here. So primarily helping designers come together, bringing them together, have fun. So that's the whole point. Yeah.
Yeah, I think more enterprises should do this. Um, and so uh, it's great that, so I think for a lot of people who, especially in the design ecosystem, not a lot of people are aware of what's happening at these enterprises. And I think this is gonna, this is how it's gonna educate younger folks as well, and also aspire them to join the amazing team. That takes us to the end of the conversation, Amit. uh, what are your objective as a design leader to to deliver at your team, or what are your goals, and the future of design in general, and not just for SAP, but as a collective, as a design team, as someone who's kind of trying to lead the design for the whole ecosystem for good?
I think this is a good question. uh, okay, if I am generalizing this to a general context, not within SAP, um, I would say that for any leader, the entire goal or the objective is to enable the entire team to achieve the the objectives for the team, whether it's business goals, team level goals, or people's individual aspirations. Okay, it doesn't matter, but there is one collective goal that you work towards, and if you're enabling your team to achieve that in all possible ways, I think that's your whole job. That's your whole responsibility. So uh, yeah, I mean, to your question, uh, like anyone who is leading a team, who is working in design industry as such, they are empowering their team members to come to that level where they understand the macroscopic and microscopic, both the versions, understand both the worlds, should be able to look at the entire big picture, should be able to implement the system thinking, and then see the entire holistic system as a whole, not just look at the siloed piece. So that's the whole, I mean, effort that people make, being in the position of leader, and that's the whole objective that they chase. So I think here also it's almost same. uh, but yeah, I mean, again, I'll have to talk in generic terms. So that's how you basically enable your team, enable your um, entire community as well, to learn, to grow further, and then understand that how can you empathize with the users as well as with the business. Yeah.
Yeah, really appreciate your thoughts, Amit. Thanks for talking about the values and what you're trying to do, and the kind of a culture that you're trying to set a benchmark at. Um, Looking forward to the impulse.
Absolutely.
And thanks again for hopping onto the podcast with us.